Welcome to the May 2025 Hero Studio Cling Stamp of the Month called Floral Tiles. Let's take a closer look at this month's product. This month's background stamp is a 6x6 red rubber cling stamp featuring a repeating floral tile design. The crisp, symmetrical pattern is perfect for elegant card backgrounds and works beautifully with a variety of techniques. Like all Hero Arts cling stamps, it is made from all-natural red rubber here in the United States and hand-cut for precision and quality. Let's make a simple but pretty card using the stamp. Start by placing your stamp into the center of your platform. Then add an A2 sized piece of pitch black cardstock. Add a couple of pieces of low-tack tape to the back of your cardstock. Then use your top plate of your platform to pick up your piece of cardstock. Next, use unicorn pigment ink and apply it to your background stamp generously. Add your top plate over the stamp and apply good solid pressure. Lift your plate and look at your fun pigment ink stamping. Set this aside to dry and choose some ink colors. Clean off your stamp without removing it from your stamping platform. I've chosen Splash Reactive ink and I'm adding this to the top third of my stamp. Underneath the splash ink, I'm adding Taffy Reactive ink. Lastly, to the bottom third, I'm adding Grape Slush Reactive ink. Use a blending brush to gently blend the line between the two colors. Do the same thing for the bottom two colors. Next, take your piece that you stamped the white pigment ink on and stamp it with the colored ink. Lift your plate and you'll see how that white pigment ink helps the colors to show up bright and beautifully on your black cardstock. I'm going to stamp a second time to build up the color. Lifting the plate, and here's the second stamping. Now I'll set that aside to dry. Die cut 3 Hello Word dies and adhere them together using liquid glue. These are from the Friend Word Fancy dies. Next, trim down your completed panel using the third from largest rectangle infinity die. Add foam tape to the back of your piece and place it in the center of an A2 size piece of deluxe smooth white cardstock. Add glue to the back of your sentiment and adhere it towards the bottom third of your card. Die cut a white butterfly using the butterfly foliage fancy dies. Add glue and place it to the left-hand side of your Hello Word die. Add a few small white enamel dots to the center of the florals. Next, add glue to the back of your completed card panel and adhere it to an A2 sized card base. And you're done! Here is your finished simple but sweet card using the May 2025 Cling Stamp of the Month called Floral Tiles. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.